Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn Atlas AI Shopify Store Builder tutorial. Build a store in minutes. In this video, we're diving into the world of online retail to tackle a common challenge, setting up a Shopify store quickly and efficiently. Whether you're taking your first steps into e-commerce or looking to reinvent your existing store with some cutting-edge flair, the Atlas AI Shopify Store Builder is here to change the game. This tool is not just another addition to your Shopify toolkit, it's a powerhouse that simplifies the whole process, making it accessible and user-friendly. So, let's embark on this journey to see how you can effortlessly integrate this feature-rich app into your Shopify experience. To kick things off, you need to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center where all the magic begins. Once you're in, direct your attention to the panel on the left side of your screen. This panel is your navigation hub, where you'll find various options to manage your online store. The next step is to click on the Apps section. This is the gateway to all the integrations and enhancements Shopify offers, allowing you to extend your store's capabilities. Now comes the exciting part, finding the Atlas AI app. In the search bar within the Apps section, type Atlas AI. This is a crucial step as it helps you sift through a vast array of available apps, pinpointing the one that will transform your store building experience today. Once you see Atlas AI in the search results, give it a click. You'll be taken to the app's information page, offering a brief glimpse into its features and capabilities. It's important to review this overview to confirm that this is indeed the app that will streamline your store building process. Ready to proceed? Click the Install button. This action sets the installation process in motion. Don't worry, it's quick, just a few moments and you're ready to go. Once installation is complete, Atlas AI will appear in your app list. Conveniently, the app will open automatically, giving you immediate access to start configuring your store without the hassle of searching for it again. This is where the real magic unfolds. You'll want to choose the option labeled Generate Store. This is the feature that leverages AI to help you craft an e-commerce site that not only looks modern but functions efficiently, enhancing the shopping experience for your customers. After selecting this option, click Next to continue with the setup prompts. These prompts are designed to guide you through personalizing your new store, tailoring it to meet your specific needs and preferences. And just like that, Atlas AI is hard at work, setting the stage for your Shopify store with the help of advanced AI technology. It truly is that simple. In just a few straightforward steps, you've tapped into the power of AI, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Happy selling, and may your e-commerce journey be a successful one. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of Atlas AI Shopify Store Builder tutorial. Build a store in minutes. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.